3.5. Know the occupations. A. Look, listen and repeat. This is Siddesh. He is a mechanic. He uses a spanner. He uses a screwdriver. He repairs machines. This is Abdul. He is a carpenter. He uses a saw. He uses a tape measure. He makes things from wood. This is Pranali. She is a manager. She uses a computer. She uses a projector. She works in an office. This is Kishore. He is a traffic police. He uses a whistle. He uses a baton. He directs traffic. This is Sia. She is a chef. She works in the kitchen. She uses pots, pans, knives, and spoons. She cooks tasty food. This is Varsha. She is a singer. She uses tanpura to practice. She uses tabla for rhythm. She sings sweet songs.